This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Node, JS and a project folder. This avoids environment surprises. Once done, run npm init to scaffold and npm install at faker.js/faker so you have the library locally. Then create src/fakerdemo JS and import the specific functions you need. Doing this narrows bundle size and speeds execution. Make sure to pick locale early. Faker. Locale influences names and addresses, so your generated data matches the target region and tests behave predictably. You now build realistic records by combining Faker modules. Use Faker. Data type. UID for stable ID Faker. Name. Find name for display names and Faker. Address for location fields. This produces believable structures. Once you choose fields, seed the generator with Faker. Seed 123 when you need repeatable results, very useful for deterministic tests. Then map your schema to generated values, creating arrays or streams of objects. As you do this, validate types and lengths so downstream consumers won't break on unexpected formats. You finish by persisting data where needed, console. Log for quick checks, FS. Write file for JSON fixtures or stream directly into a test database. Once complete, wrap generation in try/catch and run lightweight validation against your schema to prevent bad fixtures from entering pipelines. If results look wrong, make sure your locale and seed are set consistently and verify at faker.js/faker version. Mismatched versions or forgotten seed calls often cause surprising differences. Finally, iterate. Adjust field generators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.